Well, alright, YouTube. Made it down here to the shop. Downpour stopped for a second. Anyway. Ooh, that was a heck of rain we had coming. We need it though. Anyway. The goal is to try to get this rim and tire back on this front end. But I bought this old parts bike for the front end, for the fork assembly. Then I'll go show you what it's for in a minute. But that thing is so warped up that the axle won't even go back through there. The forks are warped. The legs, the trees and the legs are warped. The rim, I was going to use that rim. The rim is so warped that I can't use it. I can't put it back together. It had been wrecked, I knew that. But, I mean, we laid it down type thing, but it had more than laid down. But anyway, it's definitely a parts bike. Cool Springer headlight on it, though. But anyway, that is so warped up, I'm going to have to grind and I can't get it to go all the way through. You can see the axle won't even go through there. See how far up it is in there? But anyway, this front end, I wasn't going to use the bike. I was just going to use this front end, and it was going to go in here on this bike. It was for this FXR over here. This FXR project right here, which I've already started taking apart. This was made look like a baby Heritage Softail. Not a fan, But anyway, I was going to take this wide guide off and put that narrow guide on it. I've already got my FXR tank for it. Thanks to Mr. Paul Yaffe himself. I bought that from him for dirt cheap. Paul Yaffe's a good dude. But anyway, it's going to take all this off. It's going to be a little trick FXR. I've got one FXR there right now. But this one, I was going to do those wild paint jobs on it. Panels and fish scales and flames and all that stuff. Still am. But anyway. I've solved that already. Because I picked up another real nice Sportster narrow glide. Dual disc front end. I've got the disc brakes off of it. With a rim. I know it works. I done put it together. I done trued it. Everything's good. So, whenever we get back that little project, this Sportster front end right here will go on that FXR over there. Like it should have came, And people say, Harley's imported, 50% import, whatever. They've been importing a long time. Japan wheel, Showa front forks, which are Japanese from the 70s. But anyway, I'll run a 9-spoke on it. That'll look good. But anyway, rambling on here. The point of all this is, okay, we need to clean up the body shop. We got cars to do. I've got one bay over here, but still. We got cars. I got customers' cars I need to do. Get their cars back to them since I've been out so long with this wreck stuff. But to do that, cleanup's not a big issue over here. But the sidecar bike needs to be moved. Okay, to move the sidecar bike, it's the sides of 2 motorcycles. So I'm going to move the Sportster out once I get the front fork back on it, get it where to roll, and put the sidecar bike over there. And that'll clear up most of this area. My work table stuff, I just clean that up, and organize a little bit from being out of work so long down here. But anyway, I got customers' cars I need to get in here and work on. Paint and body stuff, because we just overflowed the body shop. And, like I said, I've been out a long time. I could use extra to make money, truthfully, and mainly get the customers' cars back to them. And then I can move my stuff over here too, Just get back organized. If I can put a car in here and start doing body work on it again, like I do. That's what I actually do, Yeah. So I got off work today. Body shop closed at lunch on Fridays. Got off work, came straight home as usual, and back to work again. So the goal for today is to get that front wheel back on that Sportster, beat, hammer, grind, whatever it takes, because it's all ruined. Get that back on it, and then when this rain lets up, we can move the sidecar bike over there. And then all I like on it is the front fairing, which I still need to do that custom paint on. Just hadn't done it yet, and then it's ready to go. So, but just need to move it out of the way so I have more room to get a car in here. I mean, I have room now. There's a bay over here, an empty bay, but it'll be kind of tight. So anyway, get Mr. Sidecar put back together and get him moved over there out of the way for a little bit. And get some customers' cars back in here and working on for money. Anyway, remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you like this kind of stuff, we'll be doing some body work. Today is a super rainy day here in North Carolina. We need it there, like I said. But we're going to start doing some customer work, body work stuff. I'll start filming that too if you want to see stuff like that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this kind of content. And we'll see you on the next time. Alright guys, finish out this little short. Front end's back on the Sportster. It is warped up really bad. No biggie there. I left one in space right intentionally. I can use that on another project. To get that done, I had to waste a bunch of time. Put it all there on my lathe and turn it down. Ruined the axle pretty much. Doesn't matter, it's all junk. Turn it down up to where it fit with it all warped up. But anyway, it's back on its own feet now. Get the tie down back, gain another spacer, get another floor jack back. But anyway, there it is. It's going somewhere in dry storage, probably forgot about. So now that I know it's movable, we can move it at some other point. Not today in the pouring down rain. But we got that done. Make a plan to get everything moved around, get the sidecar back in here like we talked about earlier. Anyway, hope you enjoy this kind of content. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.